to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get it. This is going down for real. It's 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 going down for real. Yo, girl, just kiss the girl. I do buy. Shake for a shake. I'm throwing these Emirates in the sky. Spinning this Asa, Lama, Lakem, Easter, M-O-N-E-Y. I love my beaches, South beaches, surfboard and high tide. I can just roll up, cause I'm swole up. So that birthday cake get the Cobra. Bugatti for real, I'm Cobra. The autobiography rover. Got the key to my city, it's over. No thoughts, only in the color Covers. I said records, wretches, hold up. I said records, wretches, hold up. I know you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get it. This was going down for real. It's going down for real. It's going down.
I worked my fucking ass off.
Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. 95 or 95. Blood is filling up my eyes. A billion by the time I turn 35. I live my life like sudden death, fucking overtime.
We got the power, the people, the pockets. You put it down, but we step up and drop it. If you don't go hard, you better go home. Cause we're swinging for knockouts. I dare you to stop us. It's not what you think, not what you say. CBWFKY, chasing bullshit will fucking kill you.
Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. Always going big, yeah, you know the kid. Call me Haymaker. I'm telling you from a fucking shame. I put 100 on my life. Deadly like a fist from my wife. Always swing once, never twice. If we're gonna do something, we do it right. Go, motherfucker.
Gas up the tank, handle some things. Call tell Bobby Thunder plans don't change, no trick plays. Ain't no better way, throwback. Do work like a fucking man. With both hands tied behind my back. I'll climb this whole shit and make it back. No matter what you see or what you do, chasing bullshit will fucking kill you. So people say, why me? And I'm like, fuck that, why not me? After all the shit I've been drugged through, that's a definite, no probably.
trip, cause another brother noticed me. I'm up on him. Get free, good gifts,